Good morning, and welcome to episode 261 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkin, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, January 28th, 2026. Iran is bracing for further military actions from either the U.S. or Israel. Here at home, tensions in Minneapolis over ICE crackdowns continues to percolate. Consumer confidence drops to pandemic lows. The dollar sinks even further. No surprise there for anybody listening to this update weekly. And Republicans seek a boost in the midterms due to tax refund euphoria. And of course, today, the Federal Open Market Committee meets for the second day where they'll deliver their current interest rate decision, whether to raise, cut, or leave interest rates alone. The vast majority of people believe that the Fed will leave interest rates unchanged at this meeting. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. A lot has happened over the past week. Gold is up 8.3%, trading at $5,264.50 an ounce. It was $4,861.10 last week. Silver's up 18.3% in the past week, trading at $112.15 an ounce. It was $94.80 an ounce last week. It's blown through the $100 mark. Platinum's up 6.7%, trading at $2,646 an ounce. It was $2,481 last week. And palladium up 5.3% to $1,980 an ounce. It was $1,880 an ounce last week. With silver vastly outperforming gold over the past week, it's going to take less ounces of silver to buy an ounce of gold. Therefore, your gold-silver ratio has come down further. It's at 46.94. It was 51.28 last week. And as I mentioned earlier, the dollar continues to weaken. That trend is no surprise, and it is not slowing down anytime soon. Right now, it's trading 96.27 on the legacy index against its major trading partner currencies. It was 98.59 last week. So today with the Federal Market Committee meeting, there's been a lot of press lately with the indictments leveled against Fed Chairman Jerome Powell for his testimony regarding the renovations to the Federal Reserve building. Everybody is claiming foul that there is undue political influence being exerted on the Fed, and that the Fed is pure and pristine and completely apolitical. It's got a job to do and it has nothing to do with politics. And I got to tell you, nothing could be further from the truth. Just look back historically at the history of the Fed and the decisions they've made. Bottom line is they've been very political. Sometimes it goes along with the administration. Sometimes it doesn't. But you cannot tell me that they have not had political influence over the years. The biggest being the Fed put, where basically they come in to bail out the stock market when and if needed through interest rate manipulation, corporate bailouts, etc. The bottom line, the Fed is anything but independent. Now, that being said, there needs to be a modicum of independence, but make no mistake, it is not completely independent. It never has been. It is not now, and I doubt it will be in the future. It's my opinion. I'm sticking to it. Love to hear your thoughts. By all means, please share your thoughts on our YouTube channel. Sign up, like us, send us your comments and questions. I'm glad to cover it next week as a follow-up to this little segment. Go ahead and take our social media, our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts, and our once monthly information line newsletter. You can sign up for all of that right below in the description paragraph. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.